Hey everyone, I'm Sarah with WTI, and I have found the perfect gift for the person in your life that has everything. Or maybe it's you, a gift that gets everybody outside in the fresh air and getting some exercise and some serious laughs. This is an inflatable human hamster ball. Now we have more than one of them because we thought it would be more fun to play around as a family. One, two, or however many you want to get. This is going to be fun for the whole family. So what I love about this was how easy it was to inflate. As you're inflating it, whether you're using a pump or what we did, which was use a vacuum cleaner, you know that the air is going in, but it's not going to easily escape. The ball is huge, so it's perfect for large children or adults. It's easy to put on. You don't feel claustrophobic. There's plenty of room, and it comes with handles and a harness. And literally, the laughs are endless. Whether you're wearing this ball or just watching your family play in it, it's hours and hours of outdoor fun. These are fun and easy to use, even if you're just walking around the backyard with them, kicking a ball, or chasing after your dog. This is definitely fun for the whole family. Whether you want one, two, or however many you want to buy, you can't go wrong with an inflatable human hamster ball. And that is my point of view.